I'm Carrie Shakarjan. I completed the GIS certificate program at University College. I'm a GIS specialist at the National Park Service Intermountain Region in Lakewood, Colorado. I had already had a background in GIS, but I had no paper or documentation to prove it. So having the certificate through University College, it was just the next best step at the time for me. The certificate program is a shortened version of a degree, and it's almost like a fast track program to build up your skills. The first year you're doing the certificate and you're actually interacting with people who are in the master's program. You're all in the same class together, and knowing that they were in the same classroom as me really helped emphasize that I could do this. This was a really easy transition to take, so I decided to continue with the master's, and that brings another level of experience to your resume. Having the real-world experience from the professors and being able to coach the students on what they're going to run into having a GIS job is very beneficial. One of the classes was a GPS class, and that is a very hands-on learning experience, as well as touching all kinds of different software and getting the skill set to be able to basically pick up any software and run with it. University College is very convenient, and they do have online classes as well as in person, and it makes you more credible in the GIS field to have a certificate. The return on investment for me was being able to qualify at the level I currently am in the National Park Service.